Make a lamp and make it turn it on at night time when it's dark. So basically we need to make a light. Okay, we need to program, we need to code the system for a light at night time. So let's scroll along. So it says Sophie wants to light the path. And it says, about when was sunrise and sunset yesterday? She wants to know the time, because she wants to know the time that the light needs to go on and off. It does. So it says, build a lamp to illuminate.
What is illuminate?
Illuminate means light something up, okay? So if I have my phone torch and I put the torch on, it will illuminate your face.
Light.
It's like a light. Illuminate. Yeah?
Light up my face?
It would, yes. All right?
Let me try it.
You don't have a light on that. So let's go and do it. So it says, build a lamp to illuminate the path by Sophie's campsite. So click on the X.
What is this?
We don't need to connect to the hub. Okay, everyone? So what we need to do, what's that first yellow one that we need to drag over? Can someone tell me? It's the one that we always use. Good boy, Ati. When program starts. When program starts. That's the first one that we need.
STEM, STEM, STEM. I want to be a scientist. STEM, STEM, STEM. I want to be a technologist. STEM, STEM, STEM. I want to be an engineer. STEM, STEM, STEM. I want to be a mathematician. I want to help build the future. And